So Amazon drank like 90 milliliters, which is good for a second time. And how much is this? 320, 40, 50, 60. Johnny drank like 60 milliliters, which is also okay. I thought he maybe wanted some more, so I picked him up in the end again, but he didn't want it to, so it's fine. I'm gonna show some of the horses now, and then we'll go inside and have breakfast. I have a lot to do today, and I really need to get back in. But I wanted to record the horses a bit because they're all on the grass field, which is kind of nice to look at. Everywhere's mud. It's like raining here for over a week already. I really should get my rubber boots out again. I've actually put them away because it was summer, but it's not summer anymore. It's rain now. I don't know why she just ran. Why are you running? Why are you running? Hello. Oh god, careful, it's slippery. Wow. Personal space is not appreciated. My dog is following me. Oh, not anymore. Okay, never mind. Apparently I was lying. I have let the sheep boys out this morning. We usually don't do this. But I want to clean the stables proper before I keep them inside. So I let them out. I'm gonna do the stables later, and then they can go back in. Also, it's like 9:05, so I'm technically really good in the schedule. I went out very late today, so that's on me. I'm not blaming anything or anyone for that. I have breakfast at 9, and at 10, I don't remember. Oh no, yeah, at 10 we're gonna do rehab work. We're gonna do Mason's hooves today because he's finally lame free. So we can do the other 3. Glad about that. And then he should be properly fine again. Maybe we're gonna do Katie as well. I mean, we have 2 hours or something, but I also need to finish a bunch of orders today because they have to get out tomorrow. I think I will not do much else. Okay, so I would make breakfast now. And then we have to head to the town to buy beddings for the stables because we're out of beddings and I need to put beddings in today. Alright, so it is past 10 now. We're not gonna do hooves at all. Like until afternoon maybe because it's really raining. And we're gonna go to the city now. It's not a city, it's a town. But yeah, we're gonna go there now and grab some bedding and stuff. I wanted to record the extreme rain and all. There's no such thing as rain right now. Whatever. It's gotten a lot colder though. Hei.
69,30. Kiitos.
So I'm gonna buy a card because our Wi-Fi is like not working anymore. Either it's a Wi-Fi device or it's the card. I don't know. We're gonna see. Ja, fire! Danke. It's starting to rain again. Oh, it's so funny. And I will see if I get the sheep boys in, our little boys. So I maybe let the others out a bit. Not the moms and the babies, but the big ones. Also, I have like headphones on. I might take a moment or three to figure out what kind of... Why is it so overloaded? So it is 6 p.m. I got half of the stables done cleaned. I don't have beddings in yet. Like that's how it looks like right now. So yeah, I had to put beddings in too. The horses are really annoying me. They come in all the time, though it's not time for them yet. They want to get into. Alright, I am done. I don't need to make beddings in these two stables because they're fine. But the others I have to do. I already got 2 bags here. I'm gonna get the other 2 bags when we're gonna do hay. So I'm gonna put these bags away for now in the stables where they belong. And then I'm gonna put the wheelbarrow to the car and take the other 2 bags later when I come down making hay anyway. It is 7 right now. So I need to go inside, get my daughter. Oh my god. Ow. I think I pulled a muscle right now. That was my thigh. And that was painful. Ow. But yeah, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna put my daughter ready for bed because she has to go to bed soon. And then I will come back down, make the beddings in the stable, and then make hay, and then the horses go inside. And then I need to feed baby sheep. Everything's done. Also, this is all that I've thrown out today. I made some little paths from that, so I don't have to walk through the mud. I'm so smart. So, horses are all in. The majority is fed, except the mama sheeps. I'm gonna grab their buckets now, and then the milk. And we're almost done. Like, Amy has locked herself out. Well, that is bad. How am I supposed to make food now? Alright. See, I can grab everything at once. But oh, that's really heavy. Okay. officially done for the day. Outside at least. I got like a really bad cramp in my left shoulder that I was holding Johnny. And I don't know where the bottles are right now.